Endra wo hwe asemba kwa na Ghana fo ni a womobu efu ewo ho eye NIA na nkrofo use hashtag NIA stop and stop NIA now na bobi be bisa se eno no ase ne sen okay NIA eye National Identification Authority omo ena Ghana card ya yesi ye womo ena womo ehwe so ye nua enim se yare aba Ghana eye corona and am ne wo ka say cases now arise akwa di 16 and a lot of cases are coming in because the mateno etie for yesi numbers bia ye be confirm no cases no Ghana for ebedru yen na enu mu no yare no ye ne enim se nipa ebodompem ewo beebi na nipa baako ewo yare no betum dia san obia ewo ho enu hunti president ebe bane eye public gathering bia na sa Ghana card ya ye public gathering ewom in the sense ukoye Ghana card na munia mo bekwa kobodompem akwa akogu baby te say picture na wo hu ewo screen so sisi ano iti president ebeka say yare nti ye bane public gathering no na still NIA for a week on still wo mo ye Ghana card ewo eastern region na enkrofo still wo mo ko ekobodompem say wo mo ye Ghana card enkrofo bebre ba bonten beka tre NIA for say president ama orders Munya na munjai still NIA wo mupenyi a friend of Professor Atefua was one penny still no there was a Ghana card and still obeye Ghana for celebrities sorry ka say hey inti sabe do the lives of the people wo mokoye we no Ghana for no do they even matter to you the NIA boss still was one ye Emma Ghana Health Service Ene Ghana a doctor for ni na sorry ye ebetron krata ema NIA for say Ghana card ade amu ye ebetumi de ohawa ba ye nia ye nim se nia corona cases na air rise ewo Ghana e de ohawa beba muntwa so Professor isi dabi wono de obeye na obeye President akasa no oso wono de dabi still obeye still ngofo ko board ompem ewo Eastern region ye hu pictures ni videos Emma Nini Nechi, Shraj, womo hwe Ghana for human rights and some eba bonte betre say, Sade na NIA for ye na enye na womo ntwa so still NIA for se womo de say womo nti odogo nu abe womo nti hwe still womo so womo de ombeye omo ade. Nti eno Emma Ghana citizens mienu a womo wo Eastern region ho a womo din ede Emmanuel Akumate ene Kevo Mark Oliver esoreye eden nsem no ekoto court nim ewo Accra High Court say court the NIA for eye eni say yanhwe ne yanka yanso ye won krofo ewo Eastern region ho wo mo bema yan krofo enya yawe we bi yan krofo no nso betumi de yawe no aba be san yen na yanso ye de asan yen krofo ye behwe na Ghana yawe no eko nenim nti court yi yesre Fine Junction eto NIA for so. Inti nkrofo Ghana fo mienu sorry ye de asem ne court no e na ne kre court ba ya court e de injunction eto NIA so. Na NIA penyi no wo ye lawyer. Inti se asem no every court abankwan de e no de won to me ga se won pene because he respects the law. Inti enda me no ka se yensa aka memo NIA mpanyinfo no wo asene ama omo a wo ye national card no registration no say sisia no ye den sam court ama court e the injunction ato ye so nti yesre ye impose for now say ye court na ekodi asene wi a na ya sanso na tre say wo de omo ayo say Ghana card dey still nti say enya Ghana fo mienu e na sorry ye e de asem na court a etiefo na ka still Ghana card no won beko so ase won mo beye na me pese me read the memo a won send ma all their staff members no me pese me read it show me nsa ka memo no yes ye nya adwuma e wo Ghana card but ye nsa ka memo no o say e we internal memo o say all staff are required to report for work and render proper accounting of registration equipment materials and consumables in their custody to the senior registration officers with immediate effect. And then some memo ne ekan say obi a wo ye adwuma wa Ghana card ho bia no because em say wo mo no kipi yes biometric devices ne wo mo computer ne nyama no mo di twa card no all those things printers ne nyama no wo mo no kita saa de no ye mo mu nsuo ne nyama nti yesi mo kita saa nyama ni nina no mo fa nkoma wo bia ye friend no senior registration officers because we share the levels of we now station bia was senior registration officer when we report it to it yes we found come senior registration officer because an interlocutory injunction yeah there are two almost we be say interlocutory injunction then we share dictionary anymore was say interlocutory injunction is a court order to compel or prevent a party from doing certain acts pending the final determination of the court case. Naturally say you finally say who sit down what you say who sit down ewo asase bi so na wo bi aba betro say asase ne eye ne de na won so wo tre say asase ne ye wo de na who sit down wo so nipa ku no betumi de asem na court ama court e the injunction ato sa edan na who sit so it is a court injunction to so naturally say untumi si dan e wo sa asase ne subium until say court e di asem na wie. So that is what is known as interlocutory injunction. Inti ebetumi aba say ye to aba na wo bi afili say daabi abato no say na ekoso no enkoye no de asem na court. And it happens Ghana has a wo hwe primaries parliamentary primaries ni nyama na eto de bia ye the injunction settle some constituencies bi so. Inti ayesa na say abato no e wo some constituency no enkoso until say court e di asem na wie. So this is a typical example of that. This is an example of that. Nti wo hwe dis no be say in abrofo kese interlocutory injunction no e dey na etre nti eno no. So right now we can confirm to you say the NIA has finally suspended the mass registration exercise. Na wo mo suspend no enye say ebia wo mo ankasa etenase ehunu say daabi say ne Ghana fo kasa no wo de yentie Ghana fo ani asenya amampanyi akasa ne yentie wo mampanyi enya saa o enya wo modie no modie ne se asem ne yede akokot ntianti nanka ye hwe han enanka yede ya no ena eka yede ya no ena eka yede ya no ena eka na wo bia sebe ehu nyansa bia se wo de asem ne be kokot nanka yede ya no be kasa na Ghana card still wo ye wo Eastern region na ya wi ne be ba nanka aba because so far there has been no case recorded from Eastern region. Washa, mainly Greater Accra and Ashanti region. So for something like this, no, I feel say it is a move in the right direction. It is a move in the right direction. So I gonna form you na womo de asem no ekọ court nye bebo mo abaso womo ayade pan. But you see things like this no eto de bia na wudi yawo. Eto de bia na wudi ya pan, especially some institutions bia no mo kasa ema Ghana for on issues like this some time ago. Asisi a wo mo ye kom o mo ye din e wo ho no eya na eme ya na mebo din mi nsro baako eye National Peace Council baako biom eye Occupy Ghana ye kai pan anka ye Mahama Time na ka National Peace Council na Occupy Ghana Christian Council be ba bonten e de nsema ba betudwa show say sa NIA National Ghana Card nsema yeyi wo mampanyin ase wo hwese ne asori Ghana ye kwa ye kobodompem e wa asori ninti no ye suspend asori for 4 weeks now so Ghana Card ya yeyi na ye bie nsori e na enkrofo eye registration e won sori nim. So where is the sense in this? Pardon me. So why suspend asori just because people gather there? Usro say e be spread the coronavirus now. Adan na we bie nsori e wo Eastern region. As I'm sorry, na say wo mo kwa sorry akobom payo. We be sorry no for the national card registration. And crofo akwa boho dom peme eguo bebre. Say wo mo register. Na sa national card registration obi to me kwatena ho for 10 hours. Say be asori kra wo kwa how many hours? Enye be 4-5 hours na we wie. It na nka better say asori kra no na nka won suspend it. Because it doesn't make sense. We close it down when sorry ebie in sorry and say Ghana card from Kotina Honomunya registration. Now Grofo Akobodom Pemo. What is the sense in this? And all this no Occupy Ghana, Christian Council, Peace Council, they've been quiet on it. And some celebrities been sorry say air can same way. It was trending. Now Grofo Kasa, Grofo share pictures. People were talking and speaking on it. But you see, one more some Arabi now one more vocal. You see, into one day, say Occupy Ghana. And it's a Christian Council. Into Ghana has say one day say NDC Babe Moa, would they be vocal? One more yam I deny you too much. A shall say none for can say, oh, so Occupy Ghana for any Peace Council for the NPP for Kwan. You move be about until the Casa Derby, Sansa NDC for Kana and yet. But right now, they are making it glaringly clear. Glaringly clear. Because Bibi Boni Bia Ebesia, and what's a woman ba Ebe Kasa Emma Ghana no, Obo Somaye Kom. Mama Hama Uncle can send this here. Hey, woman Abetro Manu is Mahama so. Nansu Boni sia no more kom. Yes, sir, Emboa. Oh, it's me that some maybe sanono. Sir, Occupy Ghana for 90 one day. Even if it's after 8 years, after 12 years, after 20 years, to say whatever, one day NDC for and Sanso Ba Bemwa. Still, Omobeya Koma, Womoye in this era, and now say, Womoba sorry, Akasa on things that they feel are not right. Won't share my dream comment box Timothy for Medasi.